easy to understand. Thank you. So this is the way that's how to braid the 5-wire wrapper. And let's try a 3-wire wrapper for new starter. New starter, if you want to try the wrapper ring, here we show you it's going to be easy. 3-wire wrapper, I think most friends understand. We start with 2-wire, not 3-wire, just 2 wires, okay? And then we're going to fold it at the middle. Fold it at the middle here. This one, fold at the middle here. Then another one, you're going to fold at about 5 centimeter. So fold at 5 centimeter here. So put them together. And use the plier tight here. Then move so it come a loop small and cute. Then use this short wire. Now is the time, use the short wire. Going to wrap by this short wire, wrap the other 3 pieces of the wire together. So here is the way now. Like this. Now is 3-wire braid. Not going to braid the 5-wire, but the way is the same. And I'm going to string the piece of the beads each side. We go to put with about 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm used the 2 millimeter. Here is 6 piece. I'm put 7 pieces of the beads on the each wire. We total braided with the 3. Okay. And here. Go string. Six and 7. Fold. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, my friends. If you are new friends in my life, here we are a channel show with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. What size are your beads? It's 2 millimeter, dear. So you will find that the 3 pieces of the wire we string with 7 pieces of the beads on each. Then we're going to show you here how to braid it the 3. Thank you. Thank you so much for your nice like, everyone. Here first we go put the beads on the side. We not cross. So here come like this. Okay, fold. It's the same as you braid your hair. Then come the next beads and cross. Okay, and braid this one. Keep the beads on the outside here. Cross. Come these beads and cross. Come the beads and fold it cross here. Cross. Okay. Come the beads and cross. come the beads and cross. Yeah. Hello, Miller. Happy to see you. Come here. This way. Come the beads. So it is a very easy ring design here. Braid. Braid. This one. Braid. It's very easy, right? Braid. Here. Braid. Here. Braid. Here this one. And braid. This one. And braid. This one. Size of the wire is 0.6, my dear. This is the size of the wire. We are a shop that does not sell the ready-made jewelry. We are a shop that sell the supplies for jewelry making. If you are interested in handmade jewelry, you can stay in my live streaming and learn the technique. Yeah, or maybe it will bring you some ideas of inspiring. Yeah. So it's here. This one is 5-wire braid and this is the 3-wire braid. Okay, so now here we left 2-wire seam, 1 wire longer. Use this long wire to wrap the 2 short here. Wrap it the 2 times. Okay. Then here the loop at the end we cut. And use a wood ring sizer or any other ring sizes work, but wood ring sizer is light and is not going to scratch the copper wire. Okay, then we're going to put the wire inside the beginning loop and we make a size 8 now. So pull the wire and fold it here. This way, fold it. When you try it, you will find that the way is very easy making. Yeah, I'm sure your eyes got it, but your hand got it or not, you need to try. Okay, so here, braid. Here. If you have the materials copper wire, you can try together with me. Here we use the copper wire 0.6. Take about 5 minutes. We can finish a ring and it's very easy to follow up. Easy to follow. 5 minutes make a ring. Okay. This one, wrapper. Okay, cut. And tight. Thank you. So, this one. This. Okay, so which one you like? Simple. And this 5 braid. This is the 3-wire braid. Got it?